Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry subak choy for CNY. Hope you like it. This dish is simple to make, and with simple decoration it becomes a dish that symbolizes good luck and blooming flowers. Ingredients: subak choy, ginger, goji berries, chopped ginger, wash and soak goji berries in water. Subak choy, remove stem. Wash subak choy and set aside. Wash subak choy stem and set aside. Add water in wok and bring into boil, drizzle cooking well into water. Once boiled, add subak choy stem. Cook until softened, remove from wok and set aside. Add cooking oil to stir-fry chopped ginger until fragrant. Add subak choy and stir-fry. Add a teaspoon salt to taste. Add a teaspoon oyster sauce to add flavor. Add water from side of wok. Plate subak choy at middle of plate. Adjust the position of subak choy. Place subak choy stem around subak choy. Place goji berries in the middle of subak choy stem. Prosperity Blossom dish is ready to be served. This dish only uses shredded ginger and vegetarian oyster sauce. You can also make it for your family on the 1st and 15th day of the Chinese New Year. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. This dish is simple and easy to make. Make this dish as part of the New Year's vegetable recipe and share it with your family. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. According to the pronunciation of Baitai, jade cabbage also means showing wealth, which is a symbol of a wealthy family and a representative of wealth. It is taken from people's beautiful vision of jade cabbage, implying good luck, smooth sailing, good fortune, and bumper harvests year after year. Beikai means hundreds of wealth, which means to gather wealth, attract wealth, make a fortune, and gather 100 wealth. Helping to boost wealth, jade cabbage is homophonic with meaning 100 wealth, which means to attract wealth, gather wealth, and make a fortune. Jade cabbage is also called Henkai Tsai Jushu, which means that all unexpected wealth comes easily. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.